Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm going to show you in this video how to bypass your AC clutch relay. If you got an AC clutch that the clutch won't engage because your system needs to be recharged and you're trying to recharge it, but you can't get to the pressure switch located usually near your dryer. Well, in this case, on this vehicle, it's up underneath the wheel well. You got to take out this whole assembly to get to it. So if you can't get to that pressure switch to engage your clutch so you can recharge your Freon system, I'm going to show you all. Now, I haven't got the gauges and anything hooked up yet, but I'm going to show you all how to bypass that relay. First, you find it on your box here, and it's going to be that one right there, which the third one on the three going across. Pull your cover off, and it's this one right here. And when you pull it out, as you can see, and it's actually for those relays that are like this. You got ones that are copper ends and ones that are solder. It's the copper ends that you're going to join together. So in this case, it's going to be those two right there. Stick your little jump wire in there. And now the clutch is engaged. And now you can hook your gauges up and all that. But get all that stuff hooked up before you do this. Always be careful anytime you're dealing with electricity. But there you go, guys. That's how you bypass your relay to engage your clutch on your air compressor if you're not able to get to the pressure switch, and either, you know, if you don't have a machine to manually pump the Freon in and you can't get to the pressure switch, to bypass it that way. That's how you do it, guys, to bypass your AC relay. If y'all found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.